Hi, my name is Karolina, and right now I am doing cooking pancakes. It's not gonna look like this because I'm making like normal pancakes. I was gonna do French toast, but we realized we had no white bread at all, and I'm not doing whole wheat because it will taste really weird. And I'm going to be doing pancakes out of this children's cookbook, and the things you need: self-rising flour, baking soda, maple syrup. Well, this is optional. You don't need this, but milk and eggs. And the materials you need: tablespoons, spoons, and teaspoons, whisk, spatula, large mixing bowl, and measuring cup. So let's get started. So first it tells me to put flour, baking soda, and milk into the bowl. And I have to check how much milk there needs to be and how much flour. And it says for the flour, 2/3 a cup. So I take the flour, I take the measuring cup, go to cups, 2/3 a cup, so that's pretty almost a cup. I think I made a mistake. Let's see, that's more than a cup, so we pour it back in like a lot. And that's about 2/3 a cup. Just a little bit more goes back in there. Still more. Now I need just one little bit left. There we go. Now I flatten the whole thing out. Yeah. Now we put it in there. Well, that came out funny. Next, we put the baking soda in. And how much baking soda do we need? 1 teaspoon. So I take the teaspoon. Does it say tablespoon, teaspoon, 1/4, 1/2 of a teaspoon? So this is a teaspoon. You take the baking soda. I've never used baking soda before, so I don't know. 1 teaspoon. There we go. Pour it in there. Next, we put the milk in, and the milk, 2/3 cup of milk. I'm gonna clear this out with water so I don't have much in it. And this is done. Down. There we go. Shake it sometimes to get all the water. I'm gonna put in the milk. There might not be enough milk left. 2/3 cup of milk. It's easier with a liquid. There we go. Now I'm gonna pour it in to the bowl. That was exactly 2/3 cups, so I get a lot out of there. After we put the milk, we whisk it until it's smooth. So I take my whisk and stir it. It's getting really liquidy. Yeah, just like the batter on here. make sure to get the side flour off so you don't eat flour instead of this. Just stir really good. There we go, it's pretty much done stirring. Next, after we stir, this is really simple to do like this, is we take a big spoon. I guess they didn't tell us to take a big spoon. But we're gonna need it. I'm gonna take this over to my frying pan. I didn't preheat. Well, I'm just gonna put it in anyway. Take like this much. Okay. Put it on the pan. 3. Come on, drip, drip. Come on, go on. Gonna do enough batter. I'm gonna do multiple pancakes at once. Just gonna add a little more batter to this guy. Flatten it out all over here. There we go. Then we take more batter. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go with the flow. We put more pancakes and more pancakes over here. Flatten it out. There we go. Next pancake, I might not be able to use the whole batter on the first batch. I'm gonna do 3 on this first batch. Nicely sized pancakes. Come on, drip, drip, drip. Oop, got some on there. Gotta keep it away from there so it doesn't go on the others. Dang it, I thought I used a lot of batter on that one. Gotta spread it out. I gotta use more batter. I just have to. I'm going for it. Here we go. More. This is probably going to be the biggest one yet. Okay, that's the first 3. I have room for one more, just a small one. It's way on the far, so I might drip a lot. Have to get a lot of drip. Okay. That's very little batter, so I gotta use more batter. Well, looks like that's gonna happen. Okay, there's the first 4. Let's see how much. Doesn't say why. Oh, well, I'm just gonna put it on high. The biggest one. This first one. And I think it's ready to flip now, so I'm gonna try to flip it over. Oh god, I'm ruining it. It's so big. I'm gonna need to use a smaller spatula. That's not really a spatula. Where's that? Small. Here's my spatula. Perfect. This is, okay, this one's really easy. I want to pick it up with my hand, but I can't. It's not full. Ooh. Oh god, I forgot to take out the cooling rack. I need a plate. Hey, ASAP! Help us! First pancake. Ooh. Second pancake. It's got little bunny ears. Third pancake, halfly ruined, partly ruined. Fourth pancake, down a little bit. They should be cooled down. I'm gonna try the best one that I think. Okay, the rest I'm gonna put on a separate plate. I can pick them up. These ones I keep. Not the burnt part. I'm just gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna prep it. Gonna make a stacker here. First, gonna take this off. Christian's my brother. He has his own YouTube channel called Christian Kriek. Burnt myself a little bit. I grew up there at camp. What just happened? Taste. That's actually really good. That's so good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. The pancakes might not look the best. They didn't look like it would taste good, but they tasted amazing. And thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more cooking. Like French toast, you can give me something to cook. Out of all these recipes, there's so many recipes. Next time I might make tomato soup. We've done it before. The tomato soup tastes good too. I had a lot of help from my dad. It was fun. Thank you for watching. Bye.